Good morning, children. I'm here to take class 8th English. Lesson 2, Climate Change and the Renewable Energy. Written by John Woodward. The introduction of the chapter. Our climate is changing due to the pollution. The pollutions are mostly occurred by the transport which is used for people and goods. This is affecting the global greenhouse gas. Pollution is increasing especially in many developing nations. Technology may help us developing new efficient vehicles powered by less polluting fuels, but some may not work in practice. So, the best way to reduce greenhouse gas emission from the transport is to change the way we travel. So, reduce our traveling in vehicles. The renewable energy. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy is energy that is collected from the renewable resource of nature such as sunlight, wind, rain, geothermal heat. There are different kinds of renewable energy. Windmills, water mills, solar energy, volcanic heat. But most of these energies never harm the climate. Next is the wind farms. What is wind farms? Wind farm is being harnessed on a large scale by the wind farm having high-tech wind turbine. How it is used, how it is worked. These are mostly sited on the land, hills, beautiful regions. Some wind farms are away from the seashore. The one near the Copenhagen, the capital of city of Denmark, experience stronger and more consistent winds. They are also concerned about the seabirds being killed by the huge rotors. But these turbines work only when the wind blows. So there must be some backup power generator system by using fossil fuels. In India, you can see wind farms in Jaisalmer, and these wind farms provide electricity to the Jaisalmer cities. Next one is solar power plants. Solar power plants power is the power we receive from sun. Most of the solar power systems are in a small scale, but there are a few big power plants built in sunny regions such as California and Spain. Here they use mirrors to focus the sun's rays on a tower that collects the heat and uses it to run a turbine and generator. Well established power lines distribute power to cities in less sunny areas. In India, you can see some institutions and small scale industries using solar system. Next is hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power generated from the water. The electricity generated from the force of water, especially rainwater flowing off the land, can be used to power turbines linked to electricity generators. To have a steady flow, water is stored in reservoirs by building huge dams. So when we build the dam, we should select such places where there is flow of water, especially the rivers flowing from the hills. But this can harm the wildlife. Also, silt get collected in the reservoirs. Hydroelectric power is dependable technology. 15% of the world's electricity is produced from hydroelectric power. Now, there are some questions below your lesson. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What has energy from the wind and flowing water been used in the past? Answer. The energy of wind and flowing water has been harnessed to power windmills and watermills. Question number 2. What are the more recent uses of wind and flowing water? The more recent uses of wind and flowing water technology has now been updated to drive electricity generators. Third question. Apart from solar energy, what else mentioned in the text produces heat in the natural world? Apart from the solar energy, volcanic heat produces heat in the natural world. What does renewable energy mean? Renewable energy means energy that never runs out. Question number 5. What causes climate change? Greenhouse gases cause climate change. These question answers you should be writing in your notebook, English notebook, and when you come, we'll check it. Now there are some home assignments. Question number 1. Do you appreciate the wind farms? Why? Why not? Give reasons. Question number 2. Are you in favor of solar energy in your country? Why? If it is why not, give reason. Question number 3. Write down the definition of the following technical terms. Use a dictionary if you required. A. Generator. B. Renewable energy. C. Energy efficiency. D. Turbine. E. Reservoirs. F. Fossil fuels.